Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 7 of 12 days of Craftmas Kid Edition. And I have a few crafts for you, so let's get into the video. Okay, for my first craft, I am going to start with this nightlight that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we've got some glitter to go along with it. Although glitter is very messy, we're gonna try to keep it contained. So I'm gonna get this opened up. And what we're making with this is a Santa cam. I'm gonna start with this first because I have to use glue and glitter and I want it to dry. So I'm gonna bring in some parchment paper. And even though I just took this out of the packaging, I could already see some fingerprints on here. So I'm just gonna clean this off with a little rubbing alcohol to make sure there are no prints. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, this is obviously the front of the nightlight, and I'm gonna turn it to the back and use some Mod Podge. Put a little Mod Podge on here and use my brush to spread the Mod Podge. I should have taken the glitter out first. I'm gonna use the red glitter. All right, so just brush the Mod Podge on, give it a nice coat. I'm trying to make sure all the strokes are going the same way. So when, I don't know how this is going to dry, but hopefully it dries nicely. Mod Podge usually dries pretty good, so. All right, I got the Mod Podge on there. Let's open up this glitter. And I'm just gonna go for it, pour it on here. That's why I have the parchment paper. So, all right, here we go. Oh, you know what? This is coming out like some seasoning. And I needed to just pour. All right, there we go. I really hope that you'll be able to see it better once it dries. I hope you're able to see it better on the opposite side. I'm gonna squeeze out just a little bit because I see a spot here in the front that isn't get on the top, I should say, that didn't get much glitter. I'm sure I'm gonna have glitter all over, trying to keep this contained. I am not even opposed to just throwing this glitter out because I don't usually work with glitter too much. I don't really like glitter. And I was trying to think of another way to get this on here without using glitter, but I didn't really come up with anything. So I'm like, oh, okay, hopefully this is not as traumatizing as I think it might be. Now that we have all the glitter there, I'm gonna sit it off to the side to dry, clean up this area, and then bring out the next craft. Okay, so for the next craft, I have these lollipop holders. So I thought this would be good if you have children who, elementary kids who are taking gifts to their classmates. This is something that I've made in the past for my children. And this particular SVG for the template I purchased from Etsy. I did leave the link down below if you're interested in getting the link for these SVGs. And it actually came with more than just the reindeer and the snowman. It came with a few others. So if it's something that maybe you want to make for your children to take to their classmates, or just make it for your children in general, you know, your grandchildren, these are good to make. And then it's like perforated here, so you can, it's easily bendable, all of that. So what we're gonna do is take this, and then you have the lollipop, put it in the hole here, and then you glue it together. So what I'm gonna get my glue out and get some glue right here on these antlers. I actually made these last year for my children, not for them to take to their classmates, because they are past the age of taking classmate gifts. I mean, sometimes my daughter still likes to take some things to her friends, but it's not the whole class thing. When they were younger, I used to make different types of crafts for them to take to the entire class. But we are past that at this point. So here's the reindeer, and that's what the back looks like. Now let's do the snowman. So the same thing, there's perforated lines here. I'm gonna stick the lollipop in this hole. If I can get it in there. This one, let me see if there is another one. Yeah, there's another one. Maybe this one is a little tighter at the edge to get it in there. Ah, this one does not want to go through the hole. Okay, hold on. Let's maybe bring it up a little further. The paper is what's preventing it from going down. There we go. All right, so this one is a little stubborn. I guess this hole is smaller than, yeah, it's a little smaller, but it's okay. I got it in. So let's glue this one down. Yeah, last year when I did these for my kids, it was just like a little something for them to have when they came home from school. And they appreciated it. And of course, because I bought a pack of lollipops, that meant that they didn't just have that one that day. Well, they did only have one that particular day, but they knew that there were some left over. So they get, I'm like, Mommy, could I have a lollipop? Okay, let's get these. Let's see. I think we got it all down. I'm gonna hold it, make sure it's all dry. And it's so simple. When I got the SVG, I think I had to resize it a little bit, but for the most part, it was good. All right. So we have the reindeer and the snowman. Okay, so now we are going to decorate this Libby glass. First, we're gonna get these weeded out. I'm actually, y'all know I like to reverse weed, but I'm not going to this time. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and pull it off, because I knew this was gonna be a simple weed, especially because these letters are really thick. So I knew it was gonna be an easy weed for that. With this one, let's see if this one is as easy. Okay, so I have both weeded out, As you can see, it says Santa's milk. So that's what we are going to be putting on this glass here. You know, something fun for the kids to leave out for Santa. And this will probably be something I give to my sister for my nephew, because I know my children, if they leave out milk at this point, they leave it out saying, we know mommy's gonna drink it, because I would be the one to drink the milk. They know it is not Santa. Oh no. Okay, it went ahead and snatched it. Wait, let me see. It's not in the right spot. So when I'm layering, this is what I like to do. Put down a little piece of tape. So the tape just holds this in place while I am able to get it situated where I want it to go. And I want to kind of make sure that the black does not touch my table here, so it doesn't attach to the table. And actually, that should stay because I didn't realize I missed it when I was weeding it. So that can stay right there. All right, so I'm gonna bring my cup in and get it wiped down. Just cleaning off this glass, making sure there are no fingerprints or dust or anything else on it, so that, of course, the vinyl will lay down nicely. All right, so we're gonna take this, and I made sure that it wasn't too big when I made it, so that it would just that it wasn't too big, so it wouldn't be too close. But honestly, because there's like a groove there, I wouldn't make it that tall anyway. Just want to, of course, make sure whenever you're putting vinyl on drinkware, you don't want it to come too close to the edge, so no one's lip will come in contact with the vinyl. All right. All right, so this was our second craft. Our Santa's milk, elf approved, is all done. And I am going to bring back in the nightlight so we can finish the Santa cam. Okay, so the Santa cam, the glitter is dry. I'm going to move it off to the side for a moment just so I can weed out these pieces. This I will reverse weed. So I'm gonna pull out my transfer tape and get it right over top of everything and burnish the front and the back. Pull off the back piece and then take everything off from here. So with this Santa cam, I got this idea off of Pinterest, and the person who did it said that they got the part that looks like the camera from Dollar Tree. So I went in my Dollar Tree that's close to me, and I went to one that's about 15 minutes away, and neither one of them had that surveillance camera, and I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. So if you're interested in making it and your Dollar Tree actually has the thing that looks like a camera, I would say pick that up. So that's why I just actually have the camera made out of vinyl, because I could not find that little camera anywhere. When I did Google it, I found out that other companies make it. So even if you don't see it in Dollar Tree and you really want it, you could order it on Amazon or something like that if you're really if you really want the actual camera look. With this, I just figured it's fine. It'll be okay if I just do it out of vinyl. And I've seen it done on Pinterest with just vinyl as well. So you can do it either way, whichever way you prefer. I'm gonna get this red little piece on here where it looks like it's recording, and it goes right under this A here. Get that down. All right. So, Santa Cam. Let's get it right here on. Right on. All right, let's see if I might have to cut some of this transfer tape so it doesn't attach itself to the nightlight. I'm gonna bring it up just a bit since I still have some space. All right, and then burnish it. This glitter is getting all over still. Although it's dry, you know how glitter is. Doesn't matter how dry it is. It will attach itself to any and everything. Okay, so there is our Santa Cam, and then of course at night you plug it into the child's room and it'll glow as well. And I've also seen people make this with ornaments and then just hang it on the tree. So that's also another option that you could do. I was in Dollar Tree and they have those snow globes, so you could also make it with a snow globe. Maybe put some glue on the inside of the snow globe, then put the glitter in so it covers the entire snow globe, and then put the camera and the Santa Cam on the outside. So that's another option. The options are, you have several of how you want to make this, but I wanted to go with the night light. So there we go. We are done with all our crafts, so I'm going to clean up here and then bring them all back in. Okay, so we have all our crafts back in the camera. We have our lollipop holders that you can mass produce for your children's classmates. If you just want to do it for the children in your lives. We have the Santa Cam, which is also a nightlight. So if you have a child that needs a nightlight at night, you can decorate their nightlight with the Santa Cam. And then of course, the Santa's milk that is elf approved. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And before you go, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss a video in my 12 days of Craftmas. Until tomorrow, later guys.